Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to play Bigo live game. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to play games on Bigo Live, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bigo Live app. Once you open your Bigo Live, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on the recording like icon in the middle of the screen. Then simply scroll to the game live option. So once you are in the game live section, you will now have to choose game by tapping on it. So once you choose game, make sure that the current game that you have chosen is already downloaded in your device. Once you select a game, simply tap on the OK button and hit the start now option. Then you can play Bigo live game this way. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Till then, thank you for watching.